We should buy this one. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's a great location and a great view. Nailed it. It's $11 million and you only have $20 in your savings account. Also, who are you talking to? If you have $5 or less and want to invest in rental properties, Landa, the new real estate investing app on the block, allows you to buy and sell individual properties of your choosing. It's similar to Fundrise, but instead of investing into a portfolio of rentals, you buy individual rentals for a low price. It's like investing in stocks, but instead of buying companies, you're buying properties. One of my favorite parts about this app is that they make real estate investing easy for everyone. They handle all of the nitty-gritty hassles of property ownership, from legal work, leasing, purchasing, and maintenance. So all you have to do is get monthly cash flow and watch your house grow in value. Another benefit that I love is the fee structure that they use. Landa has no hidden fees and will never charge a membership fee, deposit or withdrawal fee, or management fee. This means you have full freedom to buy and sell shares and make deposit and withdrawals at anytime you wish. Landa only makes money up to 6% when they purchase a property and up to 8% when they manage a property. Management fees are very normal in the rental property space. It covers the day-to-day management and it only applies if there is actually a tenant in the home. The way Landa works is that they purchase a home for, let's say, $500,000. They divide each property into 10,000 shares and you can purchase one or more of those shares for $5 per share. The way you make money is through monthly rent and appreciation, or the value of the house going up. Once the tenant has paid rent for the month, you receive a monthly dividend for every share you own of that building. So with our $500,000 house, you could receive 5 cents every month in passive income for 1 share. While you're receiving monthly dividends, your house may also increase in value over time. The average value of a home increases in price 3.5 to 3.8% on average every year. This is based on local housing market trends, the economy, and in this instance, the ability for Landa's management to find great deals. Taking this modest 3.5% into account, our $500,000 home will increase to $517,500. This means with normal housing conditions, we can expect a return of around 17 cents in appreciation. Our total return will now be 77 cents per share for the year. This means we will get a 14% return on our money every year. To put that into perspective, your cash is losing more than 8% this year due to inflation, and the S&P 500 has returned 10% per year for the past 50 years. You can sell your shares at any time. Just note that there are tax implications and your order will only be executed once a buyer is found. Landa's interface is super user-friendly and it allows you to explore all of the properties and legal documents easily so you can research a property and find a great home you believe will provide solid dividends and appreciation. With you being in control of which rentals you want, it also provides a great opportunity to learn more about real estate. You can find properties with more monthly cash flow, or you can find properties with more appreciation. The choice is yours. You, as the investor, are in full control.